Okay, now from Shavasana, the first warm-up exercise. This is called Queen exercise. Watch how he takes his feet next to his hips. Now, if you see that his feet are almost touching his hips, and his feet are at and his feet are at angle of 45 degree. लोग पैर सीधा करो. If you do like this, feet are straight. No, this is wrong because this would not stretch the muscle in the right muscle in the stomach. So लोग ठीक से करो, do it correctly. Yeah, feet have to be like this, and watch his arms. Both his hand are under the head, and now he has to do 16 repetitions. So this is one. Now, you don't have to stop in this just for the posture. See, the most important thing is feet should keep his position, and the shoulder, like this shoulder, if he is going this side, there will be a tendency to lift this shoulder. So both the shoulders must be touching the ground at all time. Otherwise, the stretch is not happening in the right time. So that's 2. Yeah. And if your knee doesn't touch, slowly it will start touching. 3. Hello. Normal pace pe karo. Normal pace pe karo 16. 4. 5. Yeah. This is the normal pace. So you don't have to do slowly. This is the normal pace. You do 16. Try as correct. पैर को ठीक करो लो. Try to keep your feet in as correct position as possible and keep your shoulder. And then after that, you do Shavasana for 15 seconds. After that, there's a second exercise, which is, now notice in this one, the feet are together, knees are together, the heels of your heels, wait karoge. The heels are touching the hips and arms are both spread out. In the previous exercise, neck was straight, but in this one, look karo, ek pe ruk jao. Yeah. In this one, what happens is you turn on one side and neck on the other side. Now watch his feet. His feet are still together. And he goes on this side in one direction, head goes to the other direction, and he is very flexible that he can go down on this side. If somebody can't go down, then they should not. But the most important thing is both shoulders should keep touching the ground. So you go down as much as possible with both the shoulders touching down. Hello. अब दूसरी तरफ करो. Yeah. Now this side. ठीक है ना? Yeah. So you do like this pace quickly, like at this pace 16. Now the common mistake in this, लोग गलत करके दिखाओ ये कि पैर, what people do. Yeah. No. See, this is wrong. What people do is they keep both feet on the ground. No. Both feet, ठीक करो इसको. ठीक करो. See, both feet stay together. Notice the feet. This is right. This is how it has to happen. Both the knees must touch together. Don't go down deeper by lifting the knee, or because you want the stretch in the right place, the right organs in the stomach getting stretched. अच्छा, दोबारा करो. लोग घुटना आगे पीछे ले जाओ. गलत करो. See now, his feet are not in the same position, knees are not touching in the same position. The stretch is not right. दोबारा करो ठीक से. नहीं, एक नीचे आ जाओ. हाँ, अब दोबारा करो ठीक से. नहीं, एक बार बीच में आ जाओ. शुरू से करो, first शुरू से. See, if you look at his feet, they are parallel, like they stay correct. The knee has to be touching together, and 90% chance is a beginner would not be able to go down that deep with the shoulder. He's been doing yoga for 6-10 years. हेलो, अगर कोई करो ऊपर आओ, पूरा नहीं जाना. If this is, हाँ यहीं पे If this is the best you can do, your knees don't touch, that's the best you do. Slowly over a period of time, it will happen that your knee will go down. But till the knee doesn't go down, just stay here and try to stretch and try to loosen. Feet and knee must be in the right position, and the shoulder must be touching. And try to bend your neck the other way. Your organs get stretched correctly. Okay, Alok, तीसरा दिखाओ. So after that you do 10-15 minute Shavasana. Yeah, this is the third exercise. You inhale and as you exhale you kick up. Alok, रुक जाओ. This one you have to do 10 times. In this one, 10 times on each leg. In this one, there are 2 points of focus. One is at all point your whole spine must be touching the ground. No point arcing your spine and going up. And the second thing is that your quad must be squeezed and leg must be very straight. Alok, इसको गलत तरह से करके दिखाओ, बाजू टांग थोड़ी सी ढीली करके मोड़ के. Yeah. Lot of people do like that. They try to go deeper and then they bend the leg more, like he is doing. थोड़ा गलत करो थोड़ा सा. हाँ. See, the knee is not straight. Knee is not straight. Toe is not pointing forward. I'll go on the other side. लोग फिर से करो उससे रोशनी गलत. See, people will do like this. See, the knee is not straight. And the toe is pointing somewhere, toe is loose. Alok, अब एकदम perfect करके दिखाओ. Now just watch the exact correctly. धीरे, slow motion में. See how straight his knee is and his toe is pointing forward. This is very important. Thigh has to be squeezed, toe has to be pointing. एक मिनट रोको, toe. Yeah. See his toe को point करो उधर. Yeah. See how his toe is pointing. That is when you get the right stretch. So in yoga, if you stretch the right muscle and do it correctly, you get benefit very quickly. You think yoga improves. But if your knee is slack, your hamstrings are not going to get a stretch. You are just wasting time, basically. So that is the third exercise where you have to do 10 on each side. Then the fourth exercise. Fourth कौन सी है लोग? Yeah. Fourth is with your spine touching the ground, draw 5 circles clockwise and then 5 anti-clockwise. Yeah. 5 anti-clockwise. In this also, the most important thing is thigh has to be squeezed, leg has to be very straight. Don't try to draw a bigger circle with a slightly bent knee or toe not pointed. Yeah, a lot of beginners, when they will do like this. Yeah, this is wrong. They'll do. This is wrong. Do not do like that. दोबारा करो ठीक से. Yeah, this is the fourth exercise. Try to keep your quad squeezed, leg straight, toe pointed, and try to draw as big a circle as you possibly can. Slowly with time it will get better and better, and that is the fourth exercise. After that, Shavasana. After each of these exercises, rest for 15 seconds. That is when your body that muscle just relaxes before you do the next one. You don't want the tension from the previous exercise still there when you do the next one. Yeah? Look, last one. Last one is cycling. हाथ रखना होता है कमर के नीचे. Yeah, it's safer to keep your hand under the body just to make sure your spine touches the ground. If your spine touches the ground without your hand under the hips, then that is okay. But if it doesn't, then do. So this is cycling. So it is like 16 for normal pace पे करो. Yeah, this is cycling normal pace. 16 like forward and 16 reverse, like that. Now this in this the people mistake the people make is they will do like this. They will not open their legs fully, and they will bring their knees into close into their chest, which is wrong. It is better to, you know, get your leg fully straight. ओ ठीक से करो, पूरी टांग से दिखे. हाँ, हाँ. ये ठीक है ना ये? हाँ. Basically, try to get your full leg straight, like that, and then when you're doing the reverse, get your leg straight. He's doing like 99%, you know, good 90% correct, but that's what you do, and then you rest. So these 5 exercises are the warm up. So whenever you do yoga, or whenever you are doing any kind of yoga, this is a warm up that I always do. Thanks.